How to remove Yahoo Search on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily remove the Yahoo Search on Google Chrome. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up your Google Chrome. And as you guys can see here, if I open up a new tab, there is no Google search. It's going to be Yahoo because my default search engine right now is selected as Yahoo. If I even search for Google, it's going to still do a Yahoo search and not a Google search. But if I go to google.com, it's going to take me to the Google site. But it's still done by Yahoo search. And to bring Google as your default search engine, what you're going to have to do is tap on the top right corner on three dots, scroll down and find settings. From settings, find your search engine tab on the left hand side of your screen. Tap on search engine, and currently my default search engine is Yahoo. You can directly tap on change, but if you don't see the change button, go over to manage search engine and site search, scroll down, and then from here you could always change it back to Google. Click on the three dots right beside Google and then click on make default. Now google.com will be your default search engine. If I open up a new tab, as you can see, google.com is now back. That's how you remove your Yahoo search on Google Chrome. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.